To adjust the date of an AirAsia flight, customers have the option to contact the airline's customer service team or access their website. Typically, the procedure entails settling a change fee along with any fare discrepancy for the revised flight date. It is crucial to bear in mind that the availability of alternative dates might be limited, hence it is advisable to act promptly. When communicating with customer service, it is imperative to have your booking reference number and new travel dates readily available for expedited assistance. The process of altering your flight date can vary depending on the fare regulations of your ticket, thus it is essential to review these specifics before initiating any modifications to your reservation.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.